Hey guys, what's going on? So, Merry Christmas Eve. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool model I just designed. Check it out. It's a simple Christmas tree, and it's a flicker. Check this out. So, I'm going to hold it and flick on here. So, check it out. Oh, did you see that? Fail. Okay, let's try that again. There you go, that was better. Alright, wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this Christmas tree flicker, I used a 6-inch square of this double-sided origami paper. And that's what I'm gonna use in this tutorial. So since it's Christmas Eve, I'm gonna use a sheet of green and a sheet of red, because those are both Christmas colors. Yep, alright. But you could use an ordinary sheet of kami to get one like this. And it flicks really good too. Okay, and it just fell off the table. Alright, so I'm gonna use the green and the red because I like the combination. So to make a green tree on a red background, let's begin tree side up and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Okay, and unfold, and we're gonna fold this up how much? Well, however much space between the midline and this edge, that's going to be half the thickness of the trunk. So, you know, if you want it fatter, fold it less, but if you want it narrow, fold it up more. But about like this is good. And repeat on this side. And just try and match what you did here. Okay, like this. And now we're going to do is we're going to rotate like this and take this point and fold it to this point. But don't actually fold it, just make a little crease mark right here. So right on this edge. Like that. And take this edge and we're going to fold it up so that this point touches this crease. And this edge touches this crease mark. Like this. And crease that nice and sharp. And repeat on this side. And on this side, it's actually easier. So you just fold this point to this point. Alright. And now we're going to fold this up. How much? Well, let's fold it up. You could do it to taste, but I'm going to fold it up so that these two edges touch these 2 points. Like this. So there actually is a guide mark for this too. Alright. And now turn over and let's just kind of loosen that fold up. And let's reverse that crease. Alright. And look at that. There we have our Christmas tree. See? We have a nice trunk. Alright, now let's get rid of this green part up here too. So let's mount and fold this right on that point. Just do it from this side. And on this side it's a valley fold. Alright. Like that. Alright, now we're gonna fold this up right on this point. Okay, so we're gonna mount and fold this right on this point, like this. And on this side, make sure that these edges touch, they align like this. It can be a little bit tricky, but just do your best. Alright. And repeat on this side. Like that. Alright. And now, what we're gonna do is, this is also kind of a tricky step, so we're gonna fold this up. And I'm gonna fold it up so that the fold hits this point and this edge touches this point. Now on this model, I actually folded it up and the fold actually originated at the middle point right here. But I'm just gonna fold it like this. I think this will make it a little bit cleaner, like this. Alright, now unfold that. And now we're just gonna use something to open the pocket up. And we're gonna we're just gonna tuck it in like this. Just kind of curl the paper and just stick it in there like that. Okay. And then if it gets kind of, you know, crooked right here, you can just flatten it like this, however. Flatten it however you want on this side, because this is the back side, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, like that. And repeat on this side. So I'm going to fold it on that point, and this is going to touch that edge, that point. Like that. Okay. And now, we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna fold it to this edge. So it's like we're making a paper airplane. And repeat on this side. Okay. Alright, now comes a little fun move. We're going to take this interior flap and we're going to just fold it to the other side like this. So the fold aligns with this edge. Like that. And repeat on this side. Okay, and now it's kind of lock it together, so we're just going to take this and we're going to fold it down on this point. Like this. Do it however you like. We're just locking these 2 points together, so you can really do it however you want. Like that, and repeat on this side. This will just make it fly better, because there won't be any flaps sticking up. Alright. And now we're pretty much done. Let's just kind of shape it a little bit. See, this is kind of up, and once we round it like this, it'll keep it down more, so I'm going to start right here, so I'm just going to fold this up like this. And same here too. So fold these corners in to taste. Like this. And you don't need to fold these up because the paper is pretty thick right there. So yeah, it'll be kind of hard. So just leave those alone. But yeah. And now at this point, just kind of flatten it. However, and flatten it as much as possible so it'll stay flat. Oh, we forgot one more step. Let's kind of get rid of this flap. So fold up about this much, unfold, and fold it inside. Like that. Okay. And now let's just continue flattening it like this. Alright. Remember, if you really want it to be flat, stick it under something heavy overnight, like a pile of books or something weighted. Yep. And yeah, and once you got it, let's give it a little bit of curvature also. It'll make it fly a little bit better. And yep, and there it is. So it's a very simple looking Christmas tree on a flicker. Yep. I don't know what to call this part. Maybe it's like a dome. I don't know, or a rock. I'm just gonna say a Christmas tree on a red background. Okay. So you just hold it like this and flick. Alright, now let's fly it. Alright, so to fly this thing, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna hold it like this and I'm gonna flick on this bottom part. So here it goes. Or I'll stand on this side so you can see it. That was sweet. Okay, let's do it a few more times. Oh, that's a nice flicker. Alright, so there it is. Well, hope you guys were able to fold it and enjoy flying it, and make sure you subscribe, and have a Merry Christmas Eve. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow.